Today in this video we learn about how to copy YouTube, share YouTube video link, watch complete video, like, subscribe and comment in the video if you find this good video. Let's get start practical. I want to open YouTube. Here is I opened YouTube. I want to share. Click on three dotted. Here is written share button, and here is copy link. Copy link here. Copy that. If you want again, if you not find a dotted, click on YouTube video. I pause this video because it's copyrighted. Here is written also share button. Two way to share your video on TikTok, on other website. If you find a good video, like, subscribe and comment in the video. I meet you next video. Thank you for watching.